today we'll be showing you how to make a face mask at home. So what you'll be needing is your measurement tape, your needle. I have two different sizes of needle, I'll tell you the reason why. Then your scissors, your material, a pan or a plate, circular object, your wording, and the carton-like stuff, but this is a thick wording. Then your bires. So the measurement for adults is 10. For your circular object, you look for 10. For kids, 9, 8, depending on their age. So what we're going to do right now is we'll take this pan, turn it round, and use a different biro color from the material and use circle. After you have done that, you cut. So this is our cutout material. So what you're going to do is you fold it once like this, then fold it again this way, and you cut. Then you take one of this and put on your carton-like stuff and measure. Just trace it somehow so that you would have what you use to cut out. So that's it. Then we're going to cut it out. So this is what we have cut out now, and we're going to use it to make our pattern now. That's why I said it's with no pattern. You create your pattern. It's kind of easy. We need 2, so we're going to do 2 drawings. Okay, so we cut out the pattern. So this is what we have now. We have this 2 and this 4. So what we're going to do, we'll take this. This is the back side, no, the front side. So we'll place this on the back side. Take another one on the back side. Then we'll take a small needle, this is the size. So there's the back stitch. And you take like this, you come back, that's why it's called back stitch. So we're going to do it all the way cut. So this is what we have. Okay, then we take this one, the same, back to, as in front to front. This is the front. So put like this. Stop. So this is it. This is the other side. Can you see how it looks? Okay, So what we're going to do, we're going to take our scissors and cut the place that we sewed like that. Can you see? This enables it to be when you turn it, it doesn't squeeze. So we'll do it on this side and we'll do it on the other piece too. Okay, once you're done, what we're going to do is that we're going to place the fronts together, the front of this one on top of the front of the other one. Then we're going to sew it like this all the way around and leave that small space in front there. So we're sewing it now, and we use back stitch. The same back stitch we used to sew the two pieces together is what we're using to sew this. We'll sew it all the way around and leave the small space there so that we can be able to turn it inside out. So that's it now, all sewn. Then we'll turn it inside out with that small space that we left. You have to be patient, but you keep pulling it like that till you have gotten everything out the other way around. So that's it now. That's the way it looks. So now we're going to sew that little small spot that we left to do the turn, to turn it inside out. You use your big needle at this point in time and sew it, grabbing the two edges together. So that it doesn't show. Just a little pinch. As you're doing it, you're folding the two edges. And once you're done, you fold that small part in and you sew. Now the reason you use the big needle at this point in time is that because this place is now thick, the small needle, I lost 4 needles to it because I was using the small needle, but if you use the big needle it won't break. So you do it like that. Okay, that's it. When you're done, you will take the elastic band. Now this elastic band is 11 inches so that to be able to go around the head. So you bend it in, you fold the elastic band and you start sewing it to that place that you just bent. Once you're done, you tie that part, cut the needle, cut the thread, sorry, and take the other end and attach, you put it underneath, fold it on top and fold it on top. And you take your thread, see it again, inside, fold that material, take it like that, you fold the elastic band on top of the material again and you sew. Once you're done, you tie your thread, tie it again so you secure it firmly and cut. Now that's your face masks set. Thanks for joining Dvent Craft once more today.